Hello everybody. Here we are tracking storms in Kansas, which is in the middle of the United States. We have a big storm here that's currently under a warning called a special weather statement. Yeah, you can see the statement here, special weather statement by the National Weather Service of Goodland, Kansas. Max hail size 0.25 inches and 55-mile-an-hour sustained winds or wind gusts. So that is called base reflectivity. This scan just shows you like the rain itself. So you can see there's some pretty big rain patches, and how meteorologists measure rain is in something called decibels. So if we go to the strongest pixel here, we can see that the peak of the storm is 61.5 decibels, which is actually pretty high. That's a fair bit. We'll turn that off. Then we'll go to another scan which is used to find tornadoes and sustained winds. That's called velocity. So here we are on the velocity scan, and yeah. So the reason that the 55-mile-an-hour winds was said to be on the storm is because of this red area here. So this is moving away from the radar at about 30 miles an hour, let's say. And this is moving towards the radar at 25 miles an hour. What happens when they meet? I don't know. I mean, that's what the video is for. We're gonna find out. And then, so yeah, if you want to find tornadoes and you're interested in tornadoes, you can look down here. Because that grey there acts as a barrier, but you see down here, there's not a lot of grey acting as a barrier there. So what we'll do is we'll go onto a storm. The radar just updated. Sorry, I'll go back to velocity. We'll go to a storm relative velocity instead. That was the area we were focusing on, storm relative velocity. It doesn't look as strong, but for that, to find it out, we can use normalized rotation. There it is. So there's a little something there, not very strong. Ooh, but you can see there that looks like it's the strongest. So we'll have a look there. And yes, there actually is something there. That was storm relative. And yes, that's actually decent. I don't think it's going to turn into anything, but yeah, you never know. I mean, the special weather statement is not the only place where there's severe weather at the moment. It's actually all over here. So there's storms well past Gove City or Gov City, however you want to say that. So yeah, the big event today, so there was multiple severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings, all that stuff, but they were all around there on the border there. I remember there being some big ones there today, but yeah, unfortunately we can't get those right now. We'll film a video tomorrow and we'll have a look at it from there. And that might wrap us up for today. Oh wait, no, one more thing. So these right here, I've enabled them, but you can choose if you want. These are called storm reports. So these are from weather spotters, and they just report storms and the features of a storm. So right here, Mesonet has site KKS Colby 28 has measured a 57-mile-an-hour wind gust. If you're wondering, that's about 90 to 100 kilometers an hour. That is strong. And if you want to know where that's coming from, it came from that part. So yeah. Okay, I think that's going to wrap us up for today. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.